Hey, what's going on, everybody? Gamegeezer here. Just wanted to post a video. I had a filler valve go bad in my toilet, and I was trying to figure out what kind of kit I would like. I kind of like this Korky kit here, but I also wanted to have something with dual flush. And then at the same time, I didn't know if my commode was going to be tall enough in the tank to support dual flush, so I picked up a shorter one that's not dual flush. It's just a single, but it removes the flapper. Now, when I was in Home Depot today, there was nobody there that could really help me out. A couple of the guys in the store were even telling me that this piece here, the dual flush and the single, they were telling me that it replaces the drain valve, which is not true, and I knew that wasn't right. So I went ahead and I bought all three of them together, and I combined them. And I just wanted to show you guys that you can kind of combine some different parts together too if you want a certain, kind of style on your toilet there. So I went ahead and I bought this Korky kit, the high performance one. It was about 20 bucks. And it comes with a filler valve, it's supposed to be a more quiet filler valve. It's really not that much quieter, but it is really fast at filling up the toilet, so it cuts the noise off really quick. And then it has a drain valve, you can see there. So those are the two components you get. You get the quiet fill valve, and then you get the drain valve. Now what I like about the drain valve is it's quite big, especially in the opening. So for some reason that this filler valve, while it's filling the commode up, doesn't stop automatically for whatever reason. Once the water gets about an inch above this drain valve here, it can handle 12 gallons per minute of overflow. So that's kind of cool. So I wanted both of these in my tank, but at the same time, the flapper valve that it comes with, I don't like those. So if you want to get rid of a flapper, you can get one of these here, like a dual flush or a single flush, and these just remove the flapper. Now I wanted the dual flush because you get two different types of flushes. You get a miniature flush for like pee, and then the full load for number 2 there. So yeah, and then I went ahead and got this smaller one here because I didn't know if that big dual flush was going to fit, but it actually did. So I'm going to actually take this one back. But these are both the same brand, Danco. So this was $10, this was $24, and this one even comes with also another fill valve, but I didn't use it. I didn't want it. I wanted the one from this kit. So I'm going to open this and kind of show you what I did in here. And I'm pretty happy with it so far. I mean, I've only had it installed about an hour, and I've just kind of been playing with it. But I wanted to show you guys that you don't have to, just buy one certain thing. You can kind of mix and match stuff, and sometimes it works out that way, So in here, set that there, you can see I got the Korky fill valve and a little short spout that I cut going right into the Korky drain valve, which I really like the drain valve. I like that they give you a big stem, to help with overflow protection, and then they give you an adjustment valve here to adjust raising or lowering the water. Now what else is really cool is that this fill valve also, if you twist it while you're installing it, it will raise and lower different heights. So all the Korky stuff worked great. And then when I wanted to add this dual flush valve here that removes the flapper, it was really easy. You just take the flapper off, and then there's a little clip. It clips right in, you can see that there, and it uses a zip tie, and it fit. And it also comes with this kind of tight seal that stretches, and I stretched it over this tube, and it holds it snug down there to keep it straight in there. And everything just worked out great. And then on the dual flush system, you can see you can, this little blue lever here, you can raise it or lower it, and that will adjust how much water comes out when you use a miniature flush. And then the green switch farther down there, you can adjust, and that'll change how much water comes out on a full flush. Now all these ended up working together great, and I just wanted to share that with some of y'all out there. Now this dual flush actually barely fits. It's actually taller than my toilet, but my lid comes up just enough that it doesn't touch it. So worked out perfectly. But that's what I was worried about. So just in case, I was looking at this one too. This would have worked just as good. It just wouldn't have the dual flush on it, unfortunately. But yeah, let me show you that. So you can see the toilet there and the water here. So miniature flush. Also, another thing I like about this dual flush handle that comes with the dual flush system is you push it once, you don't hold it, and you walk away. So pushing this one, this is the miniature flush. See that there? Pretty cool, right? You can see it's filling back up. And see how it's not the quietest, but it is quick, and it's not super whiny. And when you have the lid on it, it's even more quiet. So with the lid on it, it would muffle the sound a lot more. But let that fill back up. Perfect, right? Nice. Now I'm going to do a full flush. Awesome. So I picked my own parts out and they worked out great. So that's super cool. While I was at the store, I also bought a new lid. Check this out. It's a soft closing lid. And both lids will close softly like that. So if you had them both open, you can do that and they're fine. Pretty cool. This is a cool air lid, and actually it has a little blue LED light in it that I programmed to turn on at 11 o'clock at night and stay on until about 5 in the morning or 6 in the morning. And it just helps you, you know, see to go to the bathroom without turning on a bunch of lights. And it takes 4 AA's and it lasts about 6 months. So I did my own lid here, picked my own lid that I wanted. I got my own components in there. You know, I had to change it, you know, the old filler, and you know, this is a toilet that came with the house, so I really wanted to change everything. So I just wanted to share this video, show you guys that you can mix and match parts, and it should be okay. You know, I'm not going to say that it's going to be that way for everybody, because everybody has different sized toilets and all kinds of stuff, but I think for most of us to just have a generic toilet, it should work out pretty good for you. 2 other things that I bought while I was at the store. This line that comes out of the wall here has the water in it. I bought this piece here new, and it also comes with the internal seal, brand new, for $2. I recommend you do that too. And then one other purchase that I got that I thought was pretty cool is this one here. The old caps were missing on this toilet, and they never wanted to stay on with the one that was on this toilet. And I bought this here, and it comes in with this base and a washer, and you just put that in, and then these screw in there, so they don't come off like the, you know, flimsy ones. So I did all that today and upgraded my toilet, so super happy about that. Just wanted to share that with you guys because I couldn't find anything online about combining you know, kits and stuff. So again, if you're curious what I bought and put in my toilet here, I got the Korky Platinum kit. It was 25 bucks. And then the dual flush kit, which is 25 bucks. And then I just didn't use their filler valve. I used the rest of the stuff that came in the Korky, and then those other little small bits I just showed you. So there's that. And then if you have a shorter commode, you can use that one. And it should work great too. I'm gonna put the lid on it, show you that it fits, and I'm going to flush it one more time so you can hear it, how quiet it is with the lid on it. Okay, so there's that. See, it's much quieter now that the lid's on it. It's not so aggressive. I wouldn't say it's as quiet as I imagined it was going to be when they promoted that it was quiet, but I'm definitely happy with it. I mean, everything fit and it works great, you know. So just a little project that I did today I thought was really cool, you know. Again, that lid's a Colair lid, which is kind of a fancy brand, but I love that thing now, so pretty cool, right? Well, alright everybody, I hope that this is kind of something cool to check out today. So if you're kind of like me and you want to experiment with stuff, combining different stuff, you can, and you might have some luck with it like I did. But anyways guys, have a good one. You know, leave me a comment or something if you thought this was cool or whatever, or a like, you know, whatever. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Hey, real quick, I just wanted to throw this into my video to kind of clarify everything with everybody and make it real simple. So the 4 parts that you can browse through online, this part here, filler valve, and then you got a drain valve, okay? And then you can use either a flapper, which normally comes with most drain valves, or a flapperless flush system valve, okay? Like a dual flush or single flush. So those are the 4 things, realistically 3, if that you need. So fill, drain, and then either a flapper or a flush valve. So there you have it.